we going to sing boring? No. What are we going to sing with lots of what? Drama. Lots of drama. So let's show them what drama's all about. Put your hands like this, boys and girls. Here we go, nice and loud.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I don't know. A, C, C. Next time you
And our next song is one that we sang at Halloween time, and it's one of their all-time favorites. I think that's what it is, Witch's Brew. Are you ready, everybody? Get that magic spoon, and let's plop it in our cauldrons. All right, are you ready? Spooky and loud. Here we go.
Stir.